fellow learners, welcome to our channel Leap Ahead. In this video, we will discuss the solutions of easy test on appropriate filler concept. If you haven't already taken the test, then feel free to pause the video and attempt the questions as test and then continue watching for the solutions. The question says, fill in the blank with the most appropriate word. In this question, the sentence reads, do not dash him, he has done no harm to any of you. Let us now explore the options. Coming to option B, which is admire. The word admire refers to adore. So obviously we are not talking about adoring him because the sentence says that he has done no harm, right? So option B is eliminated. Coming to option C, which is discuss. The word discuss refers to argue. So this also does not fit well in the blank. Coming to option D, which is refer. Now refer also means to assign, right? So this is also not the right answer. Coming to option A, which is accuse. The word accuse refers to blame. Now we can see that option A fits very well in the sentence because it says do not blame him, he has done no harm to any of you. So the correct answer is option A. In this question, the sentence reads, the controversy is likely to create dash between the two communities. Now we can see that we're talking about a controversy over here. So let us now explore the options. Coming to option A, amity. Now we know that the meaning of the root word ami is love or friendship. So the meaning of the word amity is friendship. So we know that this is not the answer and hence we can eliminate option A. Coming to option B, which is sharpness. Now the word sharpness refers to polish. Now this is also not the right answer and hence can be eliminated. Coming to option D, which is revenge. Now revenge refers to a kind of an attack or retribution. So we can eliminate option D as well. Coming to option C, which is doubt. Okay. Now we can see that the controversy is likely to create. Controversy क्या होता है? Kind of a negative word है. So usually अगर ये दो लोगों के बीच में हो रहा है तो कहीं ना कहीं ये काइंड ऑफ कंफ्यूजन क्रिएट करेगी या फिर काइंड ऑफ डिस्ट्रस्ट क्रिएट करेगी, राइट? सो द मीनिंग ऑफ द वर्ड डाउट इज distrust. The correct answer is option C. In this question, the sentence reads, a son who is unable to look his father in the face is dash. So let us now look at the options. Coming to option A, which is callous. Now the word callous refers to insensitive. So obviously a son who is unable to look his father in the face is not insensitive, right? So we can eliminate option A. Coming to option C, which is arrogant. Now arrogant means somebody who is bossy or aloof. So we can eliminate option C as well. Coming to option D, which is ruthless. Now ruthless refers to somebody who's cruel. So we can eliminate option D as well. Coming to option B, which is guilty. Now the word guilty refers to apologetic or ashamed. Now what is exactly the situation when you don't really look into somebody's eyes? It is when you've done something wrong, or maybe when you're ashamed of something that you've done, or maybe you're somewhere regretful, right? So the correct answer is option B. In this question, the sentence reads, the new owners of the paper changed the dash completely. Let us now have a look at the options. The first option is outlay. The word outlay refers to expenses or charge. So we can eliminate option A. Coming to option C, which is outlet. Now outlet refers to channel or escape. So we can eliminate option C as well. Coming to option D, which is outlook. Now outlook refers to an attitude or perspective, right? So we could have seen that outlook fits well in the sentence, but we're talking about the owners of the paper, right? So paper क्या हुआ कि यहाँ पर हम किसी layout की बात करें because layout refers to kind of a plan. So we can see that the correct answer is option B because we're talking about the most appropriate word. In this question, the sentence reads, we had a wonderful view of the bay through the dash. Let us now have a look at the options. The first option is zenith. Now, zenith refers to top or summit. So, we can eliminate option A. Coming to option B, which is vicinity. Now, vicinity refers to neighborhood or district. So, we can eliminate option B as well. Coming to option C, which is proximity. Now, proximity refers to closeness. Okay. So, we can eliminate option C as well. Coming to option D, which is window. Now we know what a window is. Yes, so you have a wonderful view. आपका जो view होता है वो कहाँ से आप देख सकते हो? Window से देख सकते हो, right? So the correct answer is option D. Here comes the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Join me for another test in the next video. In the meantime, keep practicing and do not forget to attempt the next test.